Hey guys, welcome to season 2 of Coaster Voyage. For this season, we're going to be starting in the state of Georgia with some local amusement parks here. This is Lake Winnepesaukah in Rossview, Georgia, the north part of the state, just about a mile south of Chattanooga, Tennessee. There's a lot of classic attractions here, like this boat chute, one of the oldest log flume rides in the world. It's almost 100 years old along with the park, and they've got a classic roller coaster here and a lot of other classic attractions, so we're really excited to check it out. The boat chute here, as I said, was opened back in 1927, 2 years after the park did, and it is the oldest water ride in the world. So it's really amazing to see this technology still being used on this attraction today. It's really basic, but there's just a long tunnel before the actual lift, and then the finale with the drop actually into the lake with these channels to direct the boats back to the station. Some big fish in the water here. This is Cannonball, the classic roller coaster I mentioned that opened here back in 1967. PTC Woody, of course, themed to a Civil War battle that happened not far from this site, or rather paying tribute to it. Very solid ride, and it holds up today as a classic for sure. Smile for the clown. Into the mouth of the clown goes the trash. Here at Lake Winnie, they have this dark ride called Wacky Factory. It's sort of like a cross between a haunted house and a fun house. I've heard really strange things about it, so we're gonna go check it out. Whoa!
Has it got in its pockets? It's no concern of yours.
Well, the Wacky Worm here at Lake Winnie, possibly the best ride at the park, appears to be closed. So that's a real shame. But at least it's gonna save me the embarrassment of having to wait in line for the kiddie coaster. So I'll take that. This chairlift ride was closed earlier, but recently it's just opened up and I just got a ride on it. It's very scenic and relaxing, and it's nice to see a smaller park that still has one operating, because they're going extinct, of course, at a lot of the bigger parks. Well, we're over here at the picnic pavilion at Lake Winnie outside of the main park. It's a really nice area that most modern amusement parks don't seem to have. There's a bunch of picnic tables. You can bring your own food and enjoy your own meal. Pretty chill day at Lake Winnie. It's very charming and classic park with a lot of classic rides. You might have noticed that some of them were down, not just the chairlift, but others too, which is unfortunate, but you know, the things we wanted to get on, like Cannonball and the boat chute, we did. So that's a win. That's about it for our day here. We're going to head into Chattanooga and check out some of the other attractions here. So we'll see you then. Another attraction they have here in the Chattanooga area is the Tennessee Aquarium. They have two separate buildings for freshwater, marine life, and seawater. So we're going to head in here and check out both of those. And also, apparently they have horse and carriage rides through the city. some nice trout over here.
I like the silhouette forest turtle down there. Of course he's not out because I think him is my favorite right now. But they
We just completed the walkthrough of the freshwater portion, and now we're heading over to the Ocean Life Aquarium. Alright, well that will do it for our walkthrough here at the Tennessee Aquarium, and that's gonna end our day with the attractions in Chattanooga. The aquarium was really incredible with their immersive exhibits, and they had some really...
Phil is my favorite.
Yeah, that's right.
Walking in the woods one day, Chris and Martin saw something strange. A little leaping lemur who liked to bounce.
The lemurs, but they had some things like that you really wouldn't expect to see at an aquarium. That's about it for today. We'll see you on my next voyage.